Hi, I'm Radhika Palkar, a professional chartered accountant associated with an esteemed CA firm based out of Mumbai. Today, I'm here as a part of the tax video series for Canara HSBC Life Insurance Company. In this video, I'll be taking up a very interesting topic, the difference between the income tax exemptions and the income tax rebate. Though these terms are used interchangeably, there's vast difference between the two. So let's understand the difference. What are income tax exemptions? The income tax exemptions are those components of the income of an assessee on which no tax is leviable. In short, those are the tax-free components of the income. It is important to note that these income tax exemptions are allowed from specific sources of income and not from the gross total income of an assessee. Some of the examples of income tax exemptions, say under the head salaries, are house rent allowance, partial or full is exempt depending on a case-to-case basis, children education allowance, and leave travel allowance. It is pertinent to note that these income tax exemptions are allowed based on certain prerequisite conditions and also on the availability of the evidence of documents to substantiate these conditions. Tax rebate. It is the final deduction that is allowed before discharging the tax liability on the net taxable income of a resident individual. Net taxable income is the gross total income after deducting the tax exemptions, standard deduction, and income tax deduction. The main reason for introducing rebate under section 87A was to reduce the tax burden on individuals having lower income. Rebate under section 87A is allowed for individuals having net taxable income up to rupees 5 lakhs. Maximum rebate allowed under section 87A is rupees 12,500 or the actual tax liability of an individual, whichever is lower. Thus, income tax exemption are the tax-free components of an individual's income, whereas the tax rebate is the final deduction that is allowed to be claimed from the total tax payable of an assessee.